What is affiliate marketing? It's a question I get asked every single day. Hi, my name is Jaz and I'm an affiliate marketer, and I'm here to educate and empower people to start their own online business. So what is affiliate marketing? I've created a quick presentation to show you basically what affiliate marketing is and what it entails. It's very beginner friendly, so let's just get started. If at any point during this video you find my content helpful or valuable, please like and subscribe. That'll mean a lot to me. So, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you promote other companies' products in exchange for a commission. This can be starting from $5 to $10, going up to the thousands. So what are the advantages of affiliate marketing? Well, there's no overheads. There's no customer service issues, so you're not going to have all these people calling you, making complaints, or asking questions. There's none of that jargon. There's no hiring or recruitment, so you don't have to pay any staff or any of those things. There's no rent to pay. Obviously, you're not going to have to hire a space to start this business. All you need is a laptop, computer, tablet, and internet connection. So there's such a helpful community out there. Like once you join the proper Facebook groups, everybody is so helpful. You can get up to 80% commissions depending on what you promote. And the only disadvantage is that you do not own the product, which, to be honest, it's not a really big one, is it? So what do you need to start? Well, you're going to do the training. This is so essential. I see so many people just wasting the time on YouTube. I did that as well. I'm guilty of that. Wasting the time on YouTube looking for answers, and you're not going to get it from YouTube. You might get an overview and a feel for what's involved, but you're going to need proper training. So even if you like start a job in a store or somewhere like that, they give you proper training on how to do the job properly. So when you're starting an online business, you're also going to need proper training on how to do the job, right? Oh, sorry, the business. You're going to need an email autoresponder and a sales funnel. I'm going to talk more about those in the next couple of slides. I need to make this clear as a disclaimer. Affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme. So if you think that you're going to become a multimillionaire in the next 30 days, you're not going to, and then this video is not for you, this business model is not for you. You might as well just close the screen and carry on with your day, because this business model is for those people who value time and financial freedom and know what it takes to be successful. So, which training to take? Now, I have done the 15-day legendary marketer training, and I have also done the 3-day business builder. They both go hand in hand and complement each other. So the 15-day legendary marketer course, it's obviously 15 days long. I took about 4 weeks to complete it because I was doing other things. So in the 15-day legendary marketer, you get access to an allocated business advisor who will help you along the way. They will help you with creating a business plan and writing out all your goals and what you want to achieve from affiliate marketing, which I found very helpful because I did not know how to write a business plan. They also show you how you can create a business in 30 minutes, like step by step, they go through that. And he also teaches you the 4 core high ticket business models that you can go into once you've got an established business, or even if you're just starting. So that's that. And the 3-day business builder shows you basically how you can make daily commissions online. He will show you step by step how to build a business. So that's email responder, the sales funnel, and everything else. Organic and paid traffic. So how you can get organic traffic and how you can get paid traffic. And he shows you both options, so you know what you're working with. And he also shows you different sources of traffic. So whether it's TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, whatever, he will go through the different sources that are there available for you and how you can utilize them. So, what is a email autoresponder and why do you need one? So, an autoresponder is a computer program that will automatically answer emails sent to it. They can be very simple or quite complex. Why do you need one? Because you're going to turn new visitors into subscribers or customers. You can create a stable and long-term relationship with your subscribers, ensure continuous advertising without hiring new staff, offer immediate follow-up, and create repeat sales. You can direct your customers to websites or blogs, and this will help you to get measurable results. Your email list is the backbone of your business. So your TikTok account, your YouTube account, your Facebook account, your Instagram account can get blocked, banned, taken down anytime. But your email list is yours. That is the one thing that you own, and that is not going anywhere. You can take that to any part of the world and carry on with your business. So that is such a core element to your business, your email subscriber list. So what is a sales funnel and why do I need one? So a sales funnel is a step-by-step process that allows you to bring your potential customer one step closer to your offer and a buying decision through a series of marketing actions like automated emails, videos, articles, and landing pages that will do the selling for you. Why do you need a sales funnel? You need a sales funnels which will let you upsell and retain buyers so you can continue to sell to them for years to come. With an effective sales funnels, you can significantly increase the lifetime value of your customers. So that's pretty self-explanatory. Your sales funnel and email autoresponder go hand in hand. Your sales funnel is your first step where your customers are going to go, and your email responder is going to do the back end work for you and make sure that your customer service is done and the emails are being sent out. So, overall, in a nutshell, affiliate marketing is a lucrative business to start. It's suitable for anyone who is looking to start a side business for the long term. It's not a get rich quick scheme, and I keep saying that over and over again because that is so important. People give up thinking they're going to make hundreds and thousands of dollars just like that. It's not. It takes a lot of time, a lot of dedication, and you have to be consistent. So there's several ways you can create different income streams from softwares, depending on which niche you go into, there's lots of ways that you can make money. You need to be patient and consistent. You must be willing to learn new skills and implement them. So what I mean by that is obviously the training that you take, you're going to want to obviously implement that and take action from it. There's no point you taking the training. I think that just the training alone is going to start the business for you. No, you need to actually learn from the training and then implement it. So for anybody that takes the training from the links down below will automatically get this bonus on the next page. So once you have completed the training, you will have unlimited support from me to set everything up, including weekly evaluation sessions and goal setting. This is valued at $399. I hope you found that helpful and I hope it made sense because I know I was rushing a little bit. But if you want me to do any more videos about affiliate marketing or sales funnels or autoresponder or anything like that, or even what I might do as well at the end of this week or next week is give you a more in-depth video about the individual training so you can have a look at my dashboard and see what it looks like and everything and give you a better feel. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Or you can DM me on Instagram. All the links are below. Thank you for watching.